Day 122 of running every day. Good morning. Saturday session, 6:31 a.m. Let's go. 6:40, 10-minute warm-up, done. 8 minutes below 6 pace. Let's go. Second set. Third session done. Let's go. 45 minutes, 6.35K. Feb 28, 2026, 7:17 a.m. This is day 122 of running every day. Let's go. Okay. Time to cook.
Pero yung sa
9:31, done cooking.